Now I get a lot of questions about the Magnetrainer that I use to exercise whilst at home. So here's a quick video to show you how I use it. Now it is a very heavy piece of kit and I'm paralysed from the chest down. So you'll see me now, but I've got to hold on to my frame with my left hand, and then use my right hand to pick the Magnetrainer up and lift it up onto the table. Get it into position, and next comes the sweat vest. Now I do wear this every time I exercise. It's just a neoprene vest, and it does make me sweat probably double the amount that I normally would without it. As much as I am trying to get fit and strong for the overseas cycle I've got coming up, I still want to lose a little bit of weight as well. Unfortunately, I am paralysed from the chest down, so I can't control my gut or the way that my body looks, unfortunately, and the vest is quite slimming. So here I want to demonstrate how the resistance works. So the resistance is controlled by magnets, and you can increase or decrease the resistance from the dial that you see right in front of my face there. So this is at 2. I always start at 2 full rotations. I find that gives me a good warm up, and generally every 5 minutes I'll just increase it by 1 notch. What I've done here is give it a full rotation. So this is at 3, and you can see that it's much harder to get the cranks to go around. And this is approximately what I'd get to after an hour on the Magnetrainer. So I'll turn it right back down to the 2 full rotations, and I am then going to start my workout. So here I am an hour later. My arms are pretty dead at this point. I've really slowed down. The resistance is quite high, so over 3 rotations now. The dial will go up to 5.5 rotations, so you can imagine just how hard that is. And I would normally have my phone just sat in front of the bike there, so I can watch something on Netflix, or it's just something to keep me entertained whilst I'm cycling away. It does have a built-in computer that tracks your workout. Here you can see I did 60 minutes, 30 kilometers. I don't use it to track the calories, it's not very accurate. I do use my Fitbit for that. That's an hour done on Magnetrainer. I'm absolutely drenched in sweat. The sweat vest really lives up to its name. And yeah, so Magnetrainer, if you have reduced lower limb function and you're looking for a good cardio workout, the Magnetrainer is brilliant. You can pop it on a kitchen table, put it on a desk. If you can use your legs, you can put it on the floor, and it's a really good workout. And not many gyms will have a hand cycle. Unfortunately, the audio cut out there, but I'm pretty sure I was just waffling on about the importance of remaining active and exercising. It's good for your mental health, it's good for your physical well-being, it's good for your circulation. The pros massively outweigh the cons. These tabletop hand cycles are really good. You can get them from Amazon, you can get them off eBay. There's lots of different ones out there. If you are looking for an at-home workout, I do recommend these. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to like and subscribe.